I know. There are already a whole bunch of tutorials about this topic and how to pull this off. But I also know some people like me didn't knew how to do that. And that's why I'm making this video. Hopefully it will help you. What the frog was that intro? So right off the bat, to pull this off, you'll need two things. Your phone and a software. Or if possible, your USB cable to decrease latency. Now here I'm gonna be using a software called droidCam because I personally use it in my own live streams, but you can go with any software you want or any application you want. The whole process is pretty same. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Whoa, wait. Now before we jump in, I just want to talk about the sponsor of today's video. So today's video is sponsored by you guys. You were watching. Each of your support, love and positive comments always motivates me to make more videos. It means a lot. So thank you for sponsoring today's video. Just want to say thank you. Back to the video.
If I were a rich man.
Come to this website and hover down over here and select the operating system you have. In my case, I'm going to select Windows and then click on droidCam client. That will download your droidCam client. Double click on the droidCam client installer. Click on yes. That will take you to this kind of window. Hit next. I agree. And here select the folder where you want to install the software. I'm going with the default one. Hit next. Now I'm installing all of these. But if you're gonna use Android smartphone, then you can install only Android one or only Apple one in the same case. And now hit install. It will take some time to install and then hit finish, which will create a desktop icon like this, and you can play with it like this. As you have installed droidCam client in your PC, I would recommend you to restart your PC ASAP. Just do it.
What the?
Now open the Play Store in your phone and search for droidCam, and then select droidCam and install droidCam. So once the installation get finished, open the droidCam app, and that will pretty much look like this. So all you have to do is hit next, hit got it, and now allow droidCam to record video, allow droidCam to record audio, and you're done setting up the app, and it will show your Wi-Fi, IP and other stuff. One thing to be noted, there is a paid version of droidCam which is called droidCamX, which have some more features but have the same interface. But to make these apps working, you have to turn on developers modes. For that, go to settings, come to the system, now come to this advanced, and here you can see your developer options and make sure it's turned on. But in case you can't see your developer options over here, all you need to do is go to settings and go to about phone. Click on the software information and tap a couple of times on the build number. That will enable your developers mode. Now once you're done, open your droidCam app in your phone and connect your phone to your PC via USB cable. That decreases the latency, so yeah, that works the best, trust me. Now come to your PC and double click on the droidCam launcher, and that will trigger this kind of window where the first one is for Wi-Fi, the second one is for USB. So I'm going to select the USB one, and now click on this refresh button and you'll be able to see your phone over there. So you have to click on that, and now in case you want the audio from your phone, so you can check that one, but for me I'm gonna take only the video, so I'm gonna check out the video and hit the start. Now you'll get a few pop-ups in your phone which you have to simply allow them all, and that will start your camera. Boom, and that's how it will look like. But one thing to be noted, as we are using droidCam free version, you'll be able to use up to 480p in this camera, but if you purchase it, you can get 1080p quality out of it. Now as you can see, it's working just fine. I'm gonna show you how to add this camera in your OBS studio. Why am I talking so serious? Never mind. So the adding method is pretty same for Streamlabs OBS and OBS Studio, but here I'm gonna be showing OBS Studio. So all you need to do is open OBS Studio and click on the plus icon over here. Zoom. They're over there. Click on that plus icon and click on the video capture device. Basically add a video capture device source, and then name it whatever you want. Just create a new webcam source like this and simply hit OK. And now select your camera and you'll be able to see your face if you have done everything right as I told. And look at the face. Look at this face. Who is this guy? And you don't need to mess around with the settings over here. Just leave it by default until and unless you know what you're doing. And I don't know why this, flip vertical option still exists like this. I mean, whoever does that, I do. And simply hit OK. And you can start using your smartphone as the webcam. You can adjust the size of it. And yeah, you can dance. Seriously, what the now you can Now if you purchase droidCamX, you will get access to some tools like zoom out, zoom in, brightness, anti-flicker, flip, something, rotate, and like camera sort of, taking pictures sort of thing. But you can control these all from OBS Studio, by the way. Now here's the difference between droidCamX and droidCam normal version, which is 1080p versus 480p. Obviously 1080p looks better, but if you decrease the size of it after streaming compression in YouTube, both looks pretty same. Last but not the least, sometimes your webcam may get frozen, and that happens because of the incoming notifications in your phone. Despite of the notifications coming in your phone, most of the time droidcam works just perfect. So by any chance, if you face this problem in the future, simply restart your application in your phone and it will be just fine. Also, the people who are wondering how to set up droidCamX and get the 1080p quality, all I can say is every single step is all same. Instead of connecting with droidcam normal app, you have to connect with droidCamX app. And once come to your PC, right click on the icon, open file location, and double click on toggle HD mode, and make sure the 1080p is enabled over there. So that's how you can use your smartphone as your webcam. Now that can be a game changer for you as a budget mic and camera solution, but personally I use this as my streaming webcam, which is pretty decent, way better than my old cheap webcams. So that's all I got for today. If somehow this video was helpful to you or you enjoyed it, please drop a like and do subscribe if you're new to the channel. Comment if you have any doubt or questions. I will try to answer as much as I can. On the other hand, if I'm being annoying to you, there's obviously a dislike button over there, and that's it. Have a nice day, take care, hit the notification bell to get notification of my live streams. I stream every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, so don't forget to join my stream. See you in the next video. Till then, good night, good luck, stay human. Bye bye, guys.
Well, why don't you just put some broccoli in there?